Thanks so much for joining us through this tutorial series on the Hitachi interactive flat panel displays. Here at Hitachi, we've so much to be proud of. We're a company with a strong Japanese heritage and currently celebrating our 110th year of inspiring the next. Locally, here in Australia, we are an ISO 9001 certified company, and ensuring that we contribute to society and the environment drives us in our day-to-day operations. Our Project Green recycling program has been developed to ensure that e-waste landfill is minimised. Additionally, we offer an industry-leading warranty as well as local support, service and spare parts to ensure a quality experience over the life of the product, not just when you purchase it. Finally, we're proud of our products and the innovative solutions that we provide for you and your organisation. Our interactive screens are only one of the product categories Hitachi continues to innovate. We are also industry leaders in projectors, commercial monitors and lecture capture systems. All products we look forward to exploring with you in future tutorials. But for now, thank you from the team here at Hitachi Australia.